Hi guys, it's your girl Tonia once again, and I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be about just holiday makeup. Like, man, it's holiday time. I love a good holiday party, right? But I don't want to have to do a lot of work to achieve a glamorous look. I like using a lot of glitters and stuff when it comes to holiday time. So right now is the time where I want something quick, fast, but glittery and sophisticated and all of the above. So if you guys are interested in this makeup look here, stay right here. So I came up with this quick and easy idea for holiday parties, for work parties, for just holiday time in general, spending time with your family. You want something quick, easy to go. Basically all I did was put on a liquid gel liner and popped on some lashes and did my full face of makeup, of course, like my complexion products, my foundation and bronzer and all of that. But the red lip kind of just solidified the whole look. Like, that just made it perfect for holiday time. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I came about putting this look together, stay right here. I have no idea what this means. If you guys have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, while you're at it, hit the bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I put out new review videos. I do review videos, and typically when you come to my channel, my nose is running all the time. I swear I'm allergic to makeup, which is crazy because I love makeup. But whenever I apply it, my nose starts running. Doesn't matter where I'm at. So, but if you don't mind that and you want to become part of the Tonia family, go ahead. We would love to have you. So let's just get into this video. Okay, you guys, so I have pretty much all of my makeup done except for the eyes and the lips, which are the main focal point of this. I feel like this is something that if you have a work holiday party and you just want to do something really quick, or it's holiday time, so maybe you might want to go out with your girls, or, you know, just do something fast and quick for holiday. Red lips are always perfect for holiday. Like, you could just never get away from red lips. So I want to start with the eyes first. I've been running around, so that's why I'm breathing a little hard. I apologize. Yeah, the eyes I want to start with first. So I want to use the ColourPop. And this is the Carucci Collection Brown Sugar. It's in the shade Nut. And let me give you a close-up of the shade. So it's a nice kind of coppery glitter. And I thought that this would be an easy way to do first, because I'm going to do a couple of these looks in a segment, I think. So for the first look, I thought that we would do something really quick, really easy. Something that's not going to take but maybe 10 minutes of your time. So, yeah. Alright, so I am going to get a liner pencil and do this. And I think I'm going to use to start it, I'm going to use my Stila pencil. I got this from Sephora a couple years back, so not even sure if they're still selling it. I don't know what they're doing with that guy, but that's what I'm using. You guys can use whatever liner brush that you have that works for you. And I've already primed my lids, and I put setting powder on top of it to set it. So I'm just gonna go with that, because we're just gonna do a real pretty, that's pretty. Man, that's nice. This gel liner glides on so smooth, y'all. And And let me just get in closer so you can kind of see a little bit of how that's looking. OMG. It's so pretty. If you hear people outside, there's kids outside playing basketball in their backyard. And my beauty room is on the back side of our house. So, yeah, you'll probably hear that. So, I feel like that's all I want to do for this guy. So I'm going to do the other lid off camera and I'll be right back and we'll continue on. That part is done and it just really kind of brings out the eyes a bit without doing a little bit too much. But for holiday time, you can kind of glitter it up. You can kind of do a little much with eyeliner and stuff like that. But I thought that this would be the perfect color. If you don't have this this cream gel liner, just get one that kind of resembles it. You don't have to have this one, but these guys are like $6 or $7 from ColourPop, so they're pretty decent. I like them a lot because they just kind of stay there. They're not going to go anywhere. So for my inner corner, I want to use my Tom Ford Quad. I want to use this shade right here for my inner corner because it's got a little bit of a glitter to it, which is kind of what I'm wanting today, just because with holiday I feel like that's when I kind of go all balls to the wall with glitter. So let me find my brush, which we go through this, I swear, every video, and that's not it at all. I cannot find my brush. Hold on one second. Damn. Okay, so I'm back. So I grabbed my little MUA brush, which I love to use that for my inner corner. And I'm just going to grab a little bit on the brush. I'm just going to pop it right here in this inner corner. Oh my god, why are my dogs barking? I have no idea why they are barking like that. I have no idea why they're barking. So I just threw that into the inner corner and it just really brightens up the eye better. And on the bottom part of my lid, bottom part of my eyes, I'm going to use blah 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 blah. I'm going to use whatever I can grab first, which is the Becca Rouge palette. Here, it's one of my old favorites. I'm going to actually grab this shade here and this shade to smoke out my bottom lash line. And I am going to use, I wanted to use that brush, but I guess that's not happening. Where's that white one? From Morphe. I swear this is a constant struggle with me and my brushes. Like, I cannot keep up with them. And the ones that I like to use the most are typically on my desk, but there's a lot that I like to use the most. so they kind of get lost in the sauce sometimes. So I'm going to use a Morphe, I don't even know what that is, 432 brush, maybe? I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see. So I'm just going to take this, kind of smudge it on the bottom lash line here, close to the lash. And I think I always kind of smudge out my bottom lash line no matter what look I do. It kind of takes away from some of the shadow that might be underneath the eye. So I'm also going to go in with a little bit of this and kind of just smoke it out on the edge to kind of soften the edge, and then I'm going to blow it out with a different brush. Probably this Coastal Scents brush here. Which I like to use this because it kind of really just smokes everything out. Okay, I'm going to actually go back in with a little bit more of that brown. Alright, I like it. Okay, so I'm going to pop on a little bit mascara, throw on some lashes. I'll be back. We'll get the lips done, and yeah, we'll get to see this overall look, if it came out like what I'm thinking it's gonna come out like. Alright, okay, so we are back. I got the lashes on, and I am using the Huda Beauty lashes, and the names is Samantha. So I am wearing those. I was going to wear something that wasn't as dramatic, but the band was not working for your girl, like, at all. The band was not working. So I went ahead and put on a little bit of a dramatic lash, but I really kind of wanted to make the lips more of the focal. So we are going to do a classic red lip. I am going to use MAC's Ruby Woo, the pencil and the lipstick. So yeah, let's go ahead and apply this. And this is like the most classic holiday party look that you could absolutely do. And actually, let's highlight first, because I didn't highlight my cheekbones or anything, because I like to do that for my lip as well. So let's highlight, and I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown, what is this? Bronze Glow highlighting palette, and it is like a goldy color. Nose is running per the usual. And I'm going to use that to highlight with. And I'm going to use a couple of things because I want my highlight to really kind of pop too. So I'm going to use a couple of highlighting powders, because for holiday I like to really go all out with my highlighter. I like to really highlight. And like I said, this will get you like 15 minutes out the door, and you'll be ready for your holiday party, you know, or your like holiday get together. So I feel like that looks a little good for now. We'll come back to it. So let's go ahead and do the lips. So I'm going to line my lips first. With the red, I typically like to line first, because red can get a little boisterous. I think this is definitely my favorite red. I I like the Stunna lip paints too. They're red. But MAC's Ruby Woo, definitely my favorite. It's just a really pretty blue red. And I feel like you can't go wrong with the blue red. It's flattering for all skin tones. And I'm the only one that can't talk when they draw on like their lip liners. You know guys, I was sick last week. I feel a lot better though now. For sure.
I'll be right back, babe. I'm gonna go to the house for a minute.
Okay.
Okay. Be right back.
Alright. Alright, so I have pretty much drawn in most of my lip, and which is what I like to do. And now I'm gonna just put the lippy on. And like I said, this is also Ruby Woo. Alright, so I will be back. I will spray my face with Fix Plus and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the overall look. So this is like a simple holiday party, you know, look that you can do. And I actually want to throw on a little bit of a different highlighter as well. During holiday time, I tend to like real glittery looks. Like that's when I kind of pop out all my glitter highlighters and lippies and all of that. So I am going to also use the Urban Decay Naked Illuminator. It is in the color Luminosity, and it looks like this here. It's quite blinding, but quite shimmery. As with most Urban Decay products, I find that they're like real glittery. So I'm going to take that over top of the one that I had already put on, which was a little bit gold, but this one kind of is a little bit more brightening. Per se, and I like that. That just gives it that just little added extra pop. So if you guys like this makeup look and you think it's really easy, I really feel like anybody could do it, especially us women over 40, because for me, I want something that is quick. I don't want to have to work at it hard. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever I put up new wig review videos, whenever I put up new makeup review videos, whenever I do tutorials, anything like that. You guys will be the first to know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Peace.